Hey everybody, this is Supreme Rai aka Ryan, and today I decided to make a vlog. And the occasion is that tonight I'm going on a trip to Cox's Bazaar with my friends from work, my colleagues, and I decided that I'm gonna record the whole thing on video. I'm gonna document the whole trip. Well, not the whole trip, but most of the good parts, and I'll make a vlog out of it. I'm gonna be heading out in just a few minutes. I've got everything packed up and ready to go. I'm gonna be meeting up with all my colleagues, my friends, and let's see how it goes. Cheers.
রুমের কথা ছিল অন্য ফ্যাক্ট যে আমি বলতে কত যাচ্ছই তার হচ্ছে চিল করবো তো না আমরা তো আরো যাচ্ছি
Okay guys, we have arrived in Kumila. Now we're heading towards Biroti restaurant. We took a break, we're gonna have some burgers. They're, I think, kebab burger, something like that. It's 100 taka. It's okay, not bad. But right now, I'm just a little hungry. Got a little bit of headache, so I'm gonna have this. I'm gonna have an appa, and after we're done, we're gonna hit the road again. We're stopping for some coffee at the Four Seasons Restaurant and Resort. $90 taka for this coffee. Sheesh. I don't taste 90. What's your experience having this coffee?
It's good. It feels alive. It feels awake.
Thanks, man. Guys, we finally arrived at Cox's Bazaar. We're taking one of these tuk-tuks to Who that? Alright, Hotel Exotica Champagne. This is where we'll be staying, right in front of the beach. This is beautiful. So peaceful, man. So peaceful. We got our own private boat here. We're gonna take that. We're gonna go out to sea. Nice. Alright, so Masha is setting up the bills, clearing those out. We got a couple of horses over here. We have a Maisha. I call dibs on that. And this is gonna be a good trip. Okay, so Nishorgo Hotel has a restaurant up here where we can hopefully get some food. Let's see. Restaurant seems pretty nice, decent. Food is here. We got paratha, we got chobji, we got dim poch. I think one more dim poch. So we have a good meal. We're gonna go back to the hotel now. Finished up breakfast, had some tea. This is the dog we fed earlier. These nice dogs. It's really sunny. I don't know. I'm not sure if I'm gonna hit the beach. I might. I'm not sure if Fatima is gonna hit the beach. Are you gonna hit the beach? Masud, are you gonna hit the beach? I don't know, man. What about you, Masha? Hitting the beach? So late update, guys. We're out here for lunch. We're having hot kalapuna and lotus soup. guys. I took a few drone shots here at the beach. The sun is almost down, as you can see right there. The sun's almost out. I'm gonna go meet my team.